Morning guys, so yeah, just gonna go get some brekkie, and yeah, today we're gonna go to Kawasan Falls. Emma has a foot swollen. I've donated my shoes to her, and I got some random ones from the hostel that a customer left by, so yeah, both looking like there's some clown feet today, but yeah, we're all good. Just drove down to the literally end of the road and come to Makan, which I got a Filipino breakfast, and that consists of some toast as well as scrambled egg, and I have had a choice of just like normal sausage, tocina or langasini, which is, yeah, the last two are a different type of like pork sausage. So I've gone for tocina, which is a pork sausage, so hopefully it's going to taste good. Got my iced coffee here ready on the go. It's a real hot day so far. Yeah, so just going to dig in and then head down to Kawasan Falls. So yeah, it didn't come with toast, but it was with rice, egg, and those tocina? I can't remember, it's this pork sausage. But what I found in the Philippines, wherever you pay something with like 500 or 1,000, nowhere ever has change, which is really annoying. I have to go to the next shop and find change. But yeah, like just gonna hop on back into the bikes, get to the hostel, gonna mount you onto the bike, and then we're gonna go for a ride. Yeah, so I've got like the best helmet in the world. I think we all have. God, it's so bad. It's like a little BMX helmet. Anyway, we got our little scooters here. Mine's called the Pink Eye, and Kelvin's is the Pink Panther. So we're gonna go. What?
We were Pink Panther.
No, we're Pink Eye. Let's finally get down to the falls. Just parked up at the Kawasan Falls car park, and it was 50 pesos to park the bike, and when we do eventually get up there it's 40 pesos for entrance. But yeah, I nearly left the key in the bike, which wouldn't have been great. So yeah, just gonna have a little walk up there now, and yeah, have a bit of a swim and jump in. Don't fall.
The big one.
Yes, but yeah, Kawasan Falls.
Oh my god, that's massive.
Surprise, motherfucker.
That's not funny, that's the biggest spider I've ever seen. No, I can't look at that. That's really big. Oh, that made me go all teary. You dickhead. Oh.
to Macans again, back here for dinner. Since I got back from the Falls, all I've done is chill. Went over to Verandas again, done a bit of research, applied for some jobs in Australia, as well as finding some extra information on like where to go on our journey, like Bohol, Sikihor and Oslo, like where to go and how to get there and so forth. So yeah, just got here, gonna have this nice bit of food. I got some sizzling chicken sizzling, S-I-S-I-Q. So yeah, I had that in Boracay, it was really nice. It's quite spicy, so I wanted a little less spice in there. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy that and I'll show you what it looks like. Look at this bad boy of sizzle. The only thing with this sizzling, you can't touch it straight away. No, you can't. Look at that, man. It's still bubbling. Yeah, yeah, I'll burn myself. It's fine. And that food was delicious. I was thinking. Thank you. I was thinking I regretted my decision because she said to go for Filipino rather than a burger, but it was so good. Really recommend coming down to Macans if you are in. Where are we? In Mobile. We're gonna head down to Verandas and chill there, take advantage of the Wi-Fi, head back, maybe get a drink and call it night because we're gonna go to Oslo tomorrow. Back at Verandas, just chilling, using the Wi-Fi here because it's pretty good. But yeah, just had a San Miguel, a little cheeky one for 50 pesos, which is under £1. So just had that, done a bit of editing and searching on what to do again. So yeah, gonna call it a night because I'm just gonna head back to the hostel, chill, pack my stuff because I'm going to Oslo tomorrow. And I'm gonna get up quite early, hopefully around 7 o'clock, and yeah, make my way down there. So thanks again for watching and enjoy my life again tomorrow.